So guys, we're playing Online Motorsports on Ito naman, dito pa nag-sounds. Uy, ano naman yan? I'm playing before sign. No, let's warm up with the practice race to teach you the basics. Okay, let's continue. Pero kita tayo ng basic. Yokohama, race day. Tayo magiging manager ngayong araw na to. Okay, meet your two drivers. You'll need to manage them while they race on the track. You are moments away from starting the race. Watch out for the big call. Okay, start race. Ito yung atin si Martin, tsaka si Falcon. Go! Go, Falcon! Go, Falcon! Go, Martin! Go, Martin! Oh, nagunahan pa kayong dalawa, guys. Oh my God, nanana pa ni Martin si Falcon. Oh, nagkabagapos yung dalawa. Tanga-tanga pa nila. Oh, go, Martin. Nanguna na pa si Martin. Nanguna na pa. Alam pa si Falcon. Oh, may kumikit kay Falcon. Oh, yan na. Gumit. This is play show the data about your car. System to control tire and car condition. Okay. Let's focus on your second driver. Malamang kasi ano na siya. Okay. Sino ba yung Falcon? Si Falcon to si Falcon. Oh, Falcon, 69%. Oh, bumibilis siya. Bumibilis. Oh, di siya mabutan. Oh, si Falcon. Oh, naging mali si Martin. It's time to tell Falcon to put his foot down on the gas. Okay. Higher power mode sim factory space. Decrease car condition and increase energy burn. Peak high power mode. Ayan na si Martin. Okay, power mode na rin yan. Abilis ni Falcon. Rotate the camera around the selected driver by swiping left to the right. Okay. Pinch the screen to zoom. Okay. Lastly, you can switch to a full race view by tapping here. Okay. Oh, nangunguna. That's not provides data about racing. Use them to monitor rival drivers to get an edge in the race. Okay. Nangunguna yung Falcon ko. Nangunguna. Si Martin pang-anim. Oh my God. Nangyari kay Martin. Oh, Falcon. Careful, your driver stars are going to wear out. Oh my God. Softer types provide more speed but harder tire lasts longer. Ano ba? Where? Speed ito tayo. Continue. You can also service your car during a pit stop. This will take longer but prevents your car from breaking down by repairing its condition. Don't fix. Let's service the car now. Otherwise, a breakdown. Okay, confirm. Driver will now make a pit stop. Each pit stop takes time, so remember to plan ahead. Okay. Go, Falcon. Oh my God, complete. Oh, sino ba to? Si Martin. Ito, si Falcon. Nanguna yung Martin natin. Nanguna. Okay, yan. I need a higher power. Okay, high. Hoy. Speed. Full blast na natin yan. Nanguna na siya. Oh my God. Speed medium tayo. Basta tayong start to share using these buttons. It's time to boost your driver chance to win the race. Okay, Klaus, super mo na yan. Anong hina. Ingay mo na. Nasaan na si Falcon? Martin. Oh, nanguna si Martin. Oh, nanguna. Alam, mahahabol kay Martin si Falcon. Okay, pangapangalap, finish na. Okay. Third, si Course Williams. Second, Jake Falcon first. Oh, panalo tayo. Kita nyo yan. New manager. Panalo tayo. Motorsport manager unlike 2024. Great practice result, boss. The team can wait to race with you again. Okay, 500 kyaw. Ano to? Okay, 50 currency. Already 50. And then, may bago tayong driver. Santa Ana. Si Ana to Williams Evans. Let's check in your drivers. Okay, check daw. Evans, Santa Ana drivers sa 3-year stats. Each of the drivers listening factor race performance, so can boost them by upgrading your drivers. Okay, upgrade natin. And for training your drivers contract when they expire or hiring your drivers to place them. That's all you need to know about your drivers for now. Let's return home. Enter team name. Siyempre, ano pa ba? Guys, follow nyo naman I need 20 lang. 20. Okay na ako, masaya na ako. 20 followers. Please guys, I think you got it for now. I'll leave you to look around. Good luck, boss. Okay. Here's the... Okay, kita yun. Oh, kita nyo yun? Uy, nangyari. Napaalis tayo. Hindi pala ako na napindot. So, I need to charge. So yung charger ko is wait, natanggal. Nitro bundle. Check mo yan natin. Market, details. Because, drivers tayo. Santa Ana, okay, pay driver. Okay. Stats contract. 30k. Baka mahal mo naman. Ito ko 70k lang. Paano ba ito i-ano? Okay, interested drivers at the W. Tingin ko nga yung ano ko muna. 44 lang ito sa 56. Ito nga 61 Approach. Setting up. Deal point ito. Driver patience. 10 race. Ayan natin. Sagad mo ng Support stop. Yan, 10. Pwede ba yun sa'yo? RT ah. 20. Accepted. Sign na siya guys, sign. Select mo yan. Late. Ayaw ma-select. Yung pala. Okay, yan. Okay, wala tayong pera. Bumili muna tayo. Race. Ang dalawa. Race mo na yan. 39 points. Points available, 39 guys. Water. Okay. Forecast na. Weather forecast. Okay. Hindi naman yung masyadong tingin. Oh my god, nagpalifying. Skip ka! Ano yun? Okay. Close. Pangilan tayo. Pang 10 tayo. Pangbalis isang taan na. Pang siyang. Kailangan ko ng high power. High. Hi. Oh my god, inatak siya. Atak. Okay. Nagawa rin tayo guys. I need to fit. Please continue. Confirm fit. Fit mo yan. Continue, don't fit. My god! Nang umabot, kailangan yung humabol. Hayo. Tak. Oh my god, matatalo tayo. We need high. Hi. We need high. Ano kayo sa ano? Diyan. Hi. Magay ka. Second. Oh my god. Woo! Na-first pa tayo guys. Katay niyo ba yung stats na yan? First, yung dalawa. Ngayon naman ka-basic maging manager ng 30 points. Congratulations, you've been promoted! Can't help but feel great of a race like that. Good work everyone, happy. Drivers getting up of their last few races. Thank you. Materials. Unlock. Wala ko nun eh. Okay, Santa Ana. Define boost. Okay, continue. Here, sige, out of the rookie pop. Okay. Guys, magiging rookie na tayo. I'm so excited about that. New championship. Ba't hindi ko pa yun kaya? Seryoso? Pupunta tayo sa championship talaga. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, ang bilin. Guys, book ito. Oh, thanks. Set. Saan ba nakayos yung ano? Yung part, kailangan natin eh. Suspension. Okay, may brakes, okay, the brakes. Lifted. Sign. Okay. Okay. Good part. Okay, pag may nasisira. Okay. So lang ko yan. Max mo na. Okay. Kailangan dalawa sila. Para manalo tayo sa rookie na yan. Nanonood ka ba, Kian? Ha? Enteration na yan. Okay, Bumpy Proc, Chase of Fame. Okay. Continue. First tayo. So guys, wait lang. Oh my god, santaan ako talaga. Power. Fuck that. Okay. You have power. Ako po, Mina. Champion tayo. Saan yan, ha? Champion naman. Kailangan siya ng bayaran. So, pasahurin natin ang ating Kailangan natin silang pasahurin. Mukhang sumali sila. So, yun lang guys. Thank you.